Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. I am Sumit Kushwa, and in this video I will explain about how to get a free Gemini, how to use a free Gemini, how to log in Google Gemini in. Okay, so today I'll show you how college student can get Google Gemini or Google AI Pro free for a student and how to sign in and start using it step by step. I will explain all the things, how to create your account, how to manage, I mean to say how to enroll in this. Okay, but one thing is that this is specifically for a college student. Okay, free for college student, and for others it will paid. Okay, so this video is only about official student offers, no hacks or illegal tricks. Okay, it's a trust or truth. So before we start, uh, these student offer are time limited and country dependent. So check the official student page and follow the verification steps I show. Okay, so if we told about the eligibility, so the eligibility is that first important thing is that you will be a college student. Okay, and you already may be of 18 plus, so this is also eligibility of using this. So without wasting a time, I think we have to start the video. Okay, and one more thing, the payment process is too long, and it will look like there is a payment is deducted from you, but don't worry, the money is also returned back within 1 to 10 minutes, and the amount that is deducted is only of 2 rupees, so don't worry. Okay, this is also that money is also returned back. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's start the video. And I request you to don't skip any point and listen carefully and do step by step that I told you, that I explain you in the video. Okay, so first you have to close all the tabs. Okay, after closing all the tabs, you have to open your Chrome browser or the Google browser, and after opening you have to search. In the search bar you have to write a Gemini student offer and then enter. After entering, you rendered on this page, you see this page, you have to click on this first link, Google Gemini student offer. Okay, click on this link, you rendered on this page. Now you can verify also that college student get Gemini upgrade for 1 year for free. Okay, so now in this page what you have to do, you have to click on this button, that is get offer. Okay, on clicking this button get offer, you render on this page. Okay, in this page what you have to do, you have to verify yourself that you are a college student. Okay, you have to verify this thing. So for verify, you have to click on verify eligibility. Click on verify eligibility button. Okay. After clicking, you are in this page, that is verify your student status. Okay. Now here you have to enter all the details correctly. Okay. Let me enter my detail so you can also verify yourself. I mean to say, you can identify the content what you have to write. Then the first block is this country. So here you can search in near, or you can directly write that I'm from India, so I directly click on India. Okay, then now you have to enter here your college name. Okay, so I write my college name, Malwa Institute of Technology, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then you have to enter your first name, SMIT. Then in next block you have to write your surname, last name what we. After that you have to enter your date of birth. So here you write a date 25, and here you have to select the year, month, sorry. So October, and in next block you have to write your date of year, birth of year. Okay. After that you have enter your email ID of college. Okay, I mean to say that the college ID you have given you in maybe first year or at the time of admission maybe. Okay, so here you specifically enter a college email ID. Okay, I mean to say your email ID but given by the college. So I write my email ID, Sumit Kushwaha BT cs double two at the rate MIT Indore .co.in. Sumit Kushwaha BTCS double two at the rate MIT Indore.co.in. Okay, after this you again verify your check your details that you are filled, and always fill correct detail. Then you have to click on verify my student status. Okay, after verifying you can see this page. Okay, verify using academic institute credential. Okay, so you have to click on this sign into my academic is you have to click on this button. Then you can see this, you have to write your email ID. Okay, college email ID similarly. Okay, after entering this email ID you have to click on next button. After then you have to enter your password. Okay, entering password, click on next. Then you rendered in this page, that is verify using academic institution credentials, means you have to proof by the document. So click on upload proof of enrollment, so click on this button, and after clicking on this button you can see this page, upload proof of enrollment. So in this any document you upload, so that document contain full name, academic institution name or logo, okay, and date, expiry date we can see. So in this document I upload my ID card, and you also can upload your ID card. Okay, so next let me explain some other things, like suggested document type is student ID card with expired date that I already told you. And next educational timetable you can upload, or tuition receipt, and file must be in .jpg or PDF file you can upload. Okay, so click on add document button, then file explorer will be open. So I am uploading my ID card, so I will search on search bar ID card, and then click on open, so it automatically uploaded in a document. You can see also. Now what you have to do, now click on submit button, so the document will be submitted, and it takes some time to verify. Okay, maybe yes, it's taking a processing time of 20 seconds. Okay, so keep this window open while your document are being uploaded. After completion of uploading, you render on this page. Now click on get Google AI Pro. Okay, on clicking that, now you are rendered on this page. Now you have to click get offer, get a student offer, and you can see this page like so. Upcoming changes starting today, 12-month trial. That means after 12 month you have to, starting 17th September 2026 you have to pay this. After, I mean to say, after 12 years, 12 months, sorry, after 12 months you have to pay monthly charge 1950 per month. But don't worry, you don't have to pay anything else. No amount you have to pay, just continue yourself. First of all, let me change my payment method. Okay, so to change my UPI ID, you also do similarly that I am doing. Okay, so I change my payment method from this section. Okay, if you also want to change, then change. So what you have to do next you have to do in click on the subscribe button. After clicking on subscribe button, you have to scan the QR code and pay. Maybe I think it will deduct a two rupees. Yes, it deducts a 2 rupees, but after some time it will be returned back to you. No problem. These 2 rupees are also returned back. So after I scanned. So here I am seeing that this page that I am showing you in my left or right side, you can see. So what you have to do, you have to set auto pay. For this time we will also off this auto pay after completing all the process, and there is no problem, don't worry. If you are worried, So don't worry it. Okay, simply click on set auto pay. After clicking, you have to enter your UPI number, pin, or we can say. So after auto pay set successfully, done. Okay, so you can see this, it will processed. Okay, yes, it's completed now. Okay, successfully done, you can see. So now what you have to do, you have to just close this page and you can see this page. Okay, so all the contains, I mean to say, all the details you can get, or facilities or datas, all the things are given. Okay, you can read also. Okay. Here the 2 TB of storage is also given you. Google AI Pro benefits. All the benefits are here. Okay. So now next you have to click on go to Gemini. Okay. Click on this button, go to Gemini, and you can see this. I am in my Gemini. So here is a make more magical images. So we can say that is editing image without changing it tail widths. We can say, no thanks. We will try after some time. You can see that we are login completely updated version and you can use free. Okay, so now next thing what you have to do, you have to stop or what we can say, yes, cancel your auto pay. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go your phone pay, you have to go your phone pay. I also add the screenshots and images left or right side. Okay, so you can see also. So what you have to do, you have to go on your phone pay and after that go to history section. Okay, you have to go on history section, then you can see that there is an uh, there is a one payment that is done by you. Okay, 2 rupees, that I already told you that 2 rupees are deducted and it will be returned back after, maybe it takes 10 minutes, but you can see this, see that the after 1 minute my 2 rupees are returned back. So in the first, when you do in first payment that you done, the 2 rupees that are deducted from you, so click on this payment and then what you have to do, then you can see that below, down and downs, in last you can see that manage auto pay section. You have to click on that auto pay section. Okay, then what you have to do, now after coming on this auto pay detail, you have to scroll down. In last option you can see that delete auto pay. Click on that option and then what you have to do, you have to continue and you enter the pin, UPI pin. Don't worry, there is no any deduction of money. Okay, so next you have what you have to do, then continue. Then you can see that the auto pay has been deleted. Okay, so now you can save, or we can say save. Now there is no auto pay deduct. If there is any problem in your process or getting a Gemini, so you can message me or comment me below. And this is the complete tutorial to how to get the Gemini for a student. So thank you everyone. If you are first or a newly visited on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, so please like and click on heart button and share this video to your friends, and thank you very much.